Some people say, oh, you should have it on your birthday. Why? Hey y'all, welcome back to another episode of Fancy Pants TV. Wait a minute. Crank this AC up. Thank you to all my camera subscribers and anyone new that's watching my channel. I'll sit here and let my car cool down for a second. Just gonna go on a little ride. To those who know who's watching. I got a passenger today. Look. Hey, big boy. Alright. So I'm just gonna go to one of my pregnancy craving places. So, let's see when I get there. Gonna make it quick because it is how many degrees outside, Pete? 106 today. It's Saturday. What's today? Saturday. I don't know the days anymore. Only day I know this month is my birthday, July 19th, and the day my baby's supposed to be born is July 24th. Oh, and everybody, please pray that I don't have her on the 19th. Because I want my own day. It's not being selfish, is it? No. Some people say, oh, you should have her on your birthday. Why? I want my own day. Because I believe if I have her on my birthday, I would never have my own birthday again. I would never have a birthday. And with me, I like to celebrate my birthday all month long. Like, each day of the month. Just try to do something nice for myself for my birthday. And this year, I'll be turning a year older. Really to tell you how old I'm going to be. But I just thank God for another year on this earth. Right, big boy. So let me hurry up and get back. You feel that air, boy? You feel it? So let me hurry up and get back. I'll get back in the house. It's hot. It's a hazard to be outside. Bye.
Popeyes, the nugget things with
They
chip
don't want you
and
eating the
macaroni.
chicken.
I don't give a fuck. Fuck all the goddamn motherfucking shit. Oh, I'm sorry, King.
Yeah. Let's see. So I'm next in line. So what do I want? I usually just get the same things. I get a nachos beurre grande. Okay, I'm next. Oh. Could I get the nachos beurre grande with no beans? Yeah, with no beans.
I'm sorry, say that again?
No beans.
Okay.
Yeah, and do y'all guys have the cantina tacos still?
I'm sorry?
The cantina tacos?
Okay, you want to Chipotle sauce, avocado ranch?
Avocado ranch. Can I have two of those?
Okay.
And then a large Baja Blast.
Okay.
And then a regular mango freeze.
I'm sorry?
A regular mango freeze.
Okay.
And that's it.
Everything but first.
Yes, ma'am. Looks good.
Size 14 to 17.
Thank you. Okay, so we got our food. I have to like repeat things 2 or 3 times because I sound like a man, or I'm congested. It's one of the weird pregnancy symptoms. My voice has changed. Because if you know me, my voice doesn't sound like this. Right, Pete? I'm gonna carry all these drinks when I got you too. Uh-oh. Well, we're gonna see. I can put a cup holder. There's one right here, there's a cup holder here. And a cup holder in the back. 2 cup holders in the back. So what I got was a nacho spell grande with no beans. I got 2 cantina tacos with avocado ranch, I think, is on there. So those are pretty good. But those are new. I think those just came out last week. They're like fried chicken. Hopefully it's chicken, but you know it's not chicken. It's okay. So they're pretty good. They're pretty small, like snack sizes. And then the nachos spell grande is a nice size, which is something I always get. I usually get their quesadillas, but sometimes they don't put enough meat in the quesadilla. The place that has the most meat is probably Taco Bueno. That's one place I like too. But Taco Bueno is, you gotta go all the way down 75 and in that little shopping center and next to In-N-Out Burger. I don't want to do all that. So I didn't want to go there. Get up here. Get away from my pedals. You know you're not supposed to be down there. So I got those 2 can tacos, mango freeze, which is pretty good. And and it was happy hour, so I got that for $1. And a Baja Blast, a large Baja Blast, which is good. So I need to find the Baja Blast. I really don't drink sodas. Only time I drink soda is when I come to Taco Bell. Because that Baja Blast is pretty darn tasty. I think they have them at Walmart, like about a case. Let's see. No, that's okay. Thank you. Alright. Yeah, I do always check to see if they put my shit in there before I leave. Smell it, Pete. Alright. Let's go. Get it back on. I'm so grateful that we live close to everything since we moved. Let's roll. Right. I'm back. So back home safely. I'm just gonna show you what I got. I did kind of flip it over. But that's fine. 2 straws. Look at my drink. This is a mango freeze. It's already freaking melting. This is new, something that came out, I think about, I don't know, 2 weeks ago. They do have it with whipped cream in it. But I don't like all the extra sweetness. And this is the infamous Baja Blast. Okay. So I got the cantina tacos. And then we got the nacho spell grande. Ooh la la, that's tasty. So I probably save these 2 for a later snack, the tacos. But I'm gonna eat this right now. Smells good. The only downfall about Taco Bell is like the meat is not like Taco Bueno. Taco Bueno has real meat. But otherwise, it's the bomb. Especially during my pregnancy. This is like one thing I have to have at least once a week, twice a week. Nachos Bel Grande. So let's taste test it. Let's see. Still the same. Still the same. Consistency. Like in the, excuse me. Don't speak when your mouth full. Like in the beginning of my pregnancy, like the first trimester, I couldn't eat anything. Oh man, smashed it. I couldn't eat anything but Mexican food. How crazy is that? Fortunately, it's good. I love Mexican food, so it wasn't a problem, but every day, I don't know. But I got through it though. And then eventually, she started to let me try other things. And now, we're in the third trimester, I can pretty much eat anything. Anything I desire. And a mixture of weird things, like weird cravings, weird pregnancy cravings I've had. Where one time I was eating tamales and chocolate chip cookies. Chocolate chip cookies sound good right now too. I might make some after I eat this. I was eating like Dole Whip. It's like an ice cream, dipping bananas in it. It's like a pineapple flavored ice cream. I was dipping my bananas in it. That was pretty good. That was weird. What else? Like last night, I was eating popcorn and like a crab dip that my husband made and some crackers. That was pretty weird, but it was pretty tasty. What other weird things have been going on? Let me tell you about the weird pregnancy symptoms. Like, my voice has gotten deeper. It sounds like I'm a man. My voice has gotten deeper. And it sounds like I'm congested all the time. But in the second trimester, I was congested all the time. Like, my nose was, sorry. My nose was running, coughing up mucus, excessive saliva. That was crazy. What else? I'm experiencing some carpal tunnel symptoms in my hand. Is that thunder? Is that rain? Is it gonna rain on 106-degree weather? It's gonna cool down, but if it rains, it's gonna be humid as hell. And that's not good. You can go outside, you can't even breathe. You know, if I had carpal tunnel symptoms in my hand, like my wrist still hurts. That started in the second trimester. Like if I lift something heavy, it really aches. But I do have a ankle. Oh my God. Not an ankle. A wrist brace that I use every so often when it really hurts. Like when I go to sleep at night, wake up the next day, my hands be numb. Like my whole right hand is so numb. I have to wake it up every morning like this. And like throughout the day, this finger here, and then my thumb will be kind of feel tingly, which is weird. It's like I lose circulation in my right hand and my right arm for some reason. So weird. But everything is normal because you're pregnant. Everything go back afterwards. That's what they say. Is it gonna rain? If so, I need to put my plants out there so they can get some rainwater. The ones on the patio. But yeah, I'm back from Taco Bell. Oh, I'm supposed to text my husband and tell him I'm back.
because he don't like me going outside in the heat without him there, because any day now my water could break. So he just wants me to stay calm, relax, and do things that make me happy, not put too much stress on myself. So thank y'all for viewing my video. Let's be friends. Like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, I went to Taco Bell. It is raining. Look at that. And pregnancy brain is a real thing too. I forget stuff and then remember it later and then come back to it and then talk about something else. It's crazy. Imagine if I had 2 babies in me. It'd be double the trouble. But we're not gonna talk about that right now. But yeah, thank you guys for viewing my channel. Come back again for another chit chat with me. And if you're pregnant, leave a pregnant emoji down below so we can be pregnant mama friends, because I need new pregnant mama friends. Need friends in general. Anybody, you know, let's be friends. And comment below your favorite fast food place too, so I can go and try what you like. All right, y'all, have a good day. Bye. Woo-hoo. Show y'all how crazy Texas weather is. It's 106 degrees and it's raining. OMG.